Hi there, I'm James Putnam and my major is mechanical engineering.
I'm majoring in music therapy.
Management information systems.
I've actually just barely changed to exercise science.
History education.
I have always wanted to be a teacher since I was very little.
I've always had a passion for persons with disabilities.
The main course that got me into it was Accounting 2010.
I like the nutrition class very much.
Econ 1500.
Media smarts.
I think the professors at Utah State are so much fun. And they love to be teachers and they have a passion.
I had a really good experience with a professor named Maki Hatanaka, Kathy Bullock,
Doug Romero.
I was really impressed with how he wanted to get to know every student's name.
And I can go to him with any question.
All my professors have been really supportive and easy to get a hold of if I ever need help.
I'm going to work with Dr. Coons this summer. We're going to fly into northern Canada along the Hudson Bay and we're going to ban snow geese for 3 weeks.
This summer I actually get to go to China.
I'm in Engineers Without Borders, where we will go to Peru this summer and build a water system for them.
Well, over the summer I'll be venturing with the business program to South America, Chile, Peru, and Brazil.
I get so much time in the education program to actually go out into the high schools and work with students.
I'm also just getting involved with research this semester. So I'm going to be working with the professor in some of the research that he's doing, but I also get to start some of my own.
I've always wanted to do something bigger.
I plan on running the Forest Service one day.
I want to be the top designer in New York City.
I want to run a company in South America.
With my education, I plan on going out into the high schools and teaching kids that they have a chance to change their own history.
I'm becoming someone who can make a difference in the world.
Utah State just helps you get the education that you want.
I love Utah State. I'm going to be a product of Utah State and I'm going to be proud of it until the day I die.